Hello, welcome to UPT TIK Undiksa YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explain the guidelines for the student exchange admission system. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to UPT TIK Undiksa YouTube channel to get the newest updated videos about information system guidelines in UPT TIK Undiksa. Now, let's start with the registration guidelines. Open the browser you will be using. Then visit the link penerimaan.unixa.ac.id/student-exchange/daftar. Then, the website homepage will appear as follows. Students will be asked to fill in the data required in the registration process. You can enter your passport number or ID number. Enter your full name or complete name. Enter your email address. Enter your origin university. Enter your faculty. Enter your department and enter your study program. Here, you can choose which program to join. You can click on Students Exchange. If the data you entered is correct, don't forget to click CAPTCHA to secure your data. Then, you can click Create Account. In the next step, prospective student can download the account information card. The account information card contains the registration number and ID number, and also the PIN which will be used to log in for the following data entry. Download in this download menu. Then, save it on your laptop or cell phone. The next step is the login guidelines to complete prospective student data. First step, prepare the registration account information card that was downloaded in the previous registration. Then, prospective student will fill in the data requested on the system. Visit the link penerimaan.unixa.ac.id/student-exchange/login. Then, log in to the account consisted in information card. Prospective students will be asked to enter the registration number and PIN obtained in previous registration. Click the CAPTCHA to secure your data. Click Login in the Undiksa admission system to complete your data. When you have successfully logged in, several menus must be completed. The first is the Identity menu. In the Identity menu, prospective students must fill in the identity that is still empty. Complete and pay attention to the requested data format and size. Usually, in document uploads, Pay attention to the file format requested by the system and the size of the file to be uploaded. You can click Save if all data entered and uploaded is correct. The second menu is Validation menu and download the participant identity card. At the Validation and Print Card menu, before prospective student validate, make sure the uploaded data is correct and has been filled in completely, especially the files that must be uploaded. Prospective students can check the status of data completeness in the following column. Next step, prospective students validate by clicking the Valid button. Please download the participant identification card. You can click Download and please print and keep well as evidence of data filling. That's all the tutorial videos of the Student Exchange Admission System. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Undiksa UPT TIK YouTube channel.